This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Monica Burkholder. Beautiful, comfy and cozy Georgetown home. Roof new in 2020. Updated kitchen, baths, paint, flooring. Water lines replaced 2009. Newer water heater, air conditioner. New carpet in basement den/spare room and steps. Great location overlooking park, swimming pool, tennis courts, clubhouse and play area. Keep an eye on the kids at play from your living room. Freezer in basement and electric fireplace in basement do not stay. Kitchen island stays. For more information, review the details below.